I give you 3 avatars and a new moon.
I don't know. You ain't gonna make no other copies off that new moon?
You want you want more new moon?
Well, I want one for Maya. Maya, don't you want one?
Yeah.
You want one for Maya? Well, that one I'm gonna trade with Blanca.
Okay.
We're gonna play a game. Game called Good Cop, Bad Cop. How does that make you feel? Does that make you feel dangerous? Like you committed a crime? Ew, really? Yeah, ew. Disgusting. What? Oh, the spider. I'm an orphan. I'm an orphan. It's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold. Oh, holy but Jesus. Please bring my lost dog back. It was the only friend I had. Now it's so cold. All I have is this light. This light. Oh, this light. Ow, my face. It burned. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm a zombie now. I could break my own arm. Ow! Stop it! Stop it! Things that are random. Blue, dog poop, people's faces, vacuum cleaners, Niagara Falls. Hi! I'm going to make you drink Sprite. And why would I do that? Why would I make you drink Sprite? Why? What, you wanna know? You wanna know? You wanna know why I make you drink Sprite? I don't know. Yeah, I like it. It's good. I don't know. I mean, that's all we got. But, I mean, if you like Sprite, I mean, it's good for you. But I like it, so it's good for me too, right? We both like it. We have something in common. It's Sprite. Lemon, lime. I mean, if you're allergic to lemon and lime, I mean, that sucks. You should never have Sprite. Oh, I had a brain fart. Oh, jeez. Daughter is a little girl who grows up to be a friend. You want to be my friend? Do you want to be my friend? Ow. Ow, my hair. Do you want to be my friend? You want to be my friend? I appreciate that. Thank you. Order Sprite now for only 2 easy payments of $19.95. I'm just kidding. It could only be for $4. I don't know what just happened there. Made me nervous. I got this one. This one back when I was in the war. In the war. Hi. Hi. How are you? Nice weather we are having. Hello. Hello.
Hello, you.
Hi. How are you? Nice weather we're having. Come here. Come here.
You're there.
Come here. Let me show you. Come here. Are you going to come? Oh, I should have burped. Oh. Come here. Are you going to come? My poor lost dog. Look, come here. Come here. Say hi.
Hi.
They can't see you. They can only see your hand.
Hi. Hi. Ooh.
I don't get it. You didn't even say anything funny.
I said hi.
And hi is real funny, yeah. Hi.
Funny to me. No funny to you? You're funny to me. You're no funny. Oh. Oh, this is yummy. Cranberry.